Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and we're down in Somerville, one of the best places to film a fast train. Bungower Rd, Doodlebug, and Monday Steel Horse. So it's Monday here, beautiful day. So the weather's kind of taking the piss really, because it's going to be raining tomorrow, 10 to 20 mils, an inch of rain. It's roughly around 24 degrees here at the moment, or 80 degrees F. Alright, so Doodlebug coming from that direction. Any minute, big truck. Alright, Doodlebug ahoy. He's at the station at the moment. Little some sort of jalopy just went past then. Good day for a jalopy. There go the gates. Any runners? Yeah, whoa, we got a runner. Late runner too. Alright, Doodlebug ahoy. Looks like he's motor and jack. Widescreen mode. Yeah, Doodlebug flicking along not quite nicely. Through the new patch up there, flicking up a bit of dust. Right, next train will be the Monday Steel Horse Australia. Alright, Steel Horse ahoy. A bit earlier, there go the gates. Any runners? No runners. Yeah, daylight saving started here the other day, so that's the first tick on the box for the good weather. What do we got on the front here? Oh, we got the Qube Logistics banana unit. Dual cab. Widescreen mode. Cool, eh? He's only a shorty, no hoppers. Definitely only a shorty for a Monday. There, Qube Logistics there on the front there, the banana unit, dual cab, the EMD SD70 ACE trailing. Alright. Well, that's going to wrap up the afternoon. We'll head out this afternoon, later on tonight, and see what else we can get. Okay, so from down here at Somerville, that'll be, oh, thanks for watching. Don't be rude, Mulder. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe if you're about the Steel Horse, and I'll catch you in the next one. Special Agent Fox Mulder out.